Do you know how a vehicle can stop at a speed of 100 kilometers per hour in 3 seconds? Have you ever designed a braking system for race bikes? No? Now is the time to make one. How? ETJ is hosting Ice Challenge 22, where you first learn and then get a chance to work in design engineering projects under the guidance of top industry experts. For automotive enthusiasts, we got a project competition to design a disc brake of Bajaj's most performing bike, Pulsar 125. In this Ice Challenge, you'll first learn the science behind braking force, material selection, deceleration forces, Pascal law, and designing of disc rotor on SolidWorks. Learning done. Now to showcase your skills, you have to design your own disc brake and make a project report to showcase your project work. Top industry experts will evaluate your projects and the top winner will get a chance to win Rs 7,000 plus a 2.5 lakh program free. What do you have to do? Register for ICE 2022. Learn design, submit your project and be a pro auto designer. More details in caption.